Normally in our MailerLite tutorials, we show you how to create and send newsletters using our many advanced features of the drag and drop editor. But today, rather than tell you how to use our features, we're just going to build a newsletter live with you to show you just how easy it is to get started using MailerLite. So let's get into it.
The secret to sending on-brand emails every single time is setting up your brand styles once up front. So before we create anything, let's head over to your account settings to set up our brand styles. Then we're going to click brand styles. All right, so a couple of things here. You can set up your brand manually by clicking on this button, but we can also do it automatically. Type in the URL. This can be your website that you want to pull the style from. It'll pull the brand styles from your website. So that's things like your fonts, your colors, your logo, things like that. All right, so there you go. Go ahead and verify that everything came through in the way that you want it to appear. Social links are all correct. If your logo does not correctly pull through, you can, of course, upload an image. That'll go over to your file manager where you can insert your logo. And then notice over to the right, you can take a look at what your campaigns, your landing pages and things are going to look like with your brand styles. So you can see the email preview, we've got a landing page preview, a form preview. So if you want these to look any different or change them in any way, you can. So say you want your background color like it's off-white, but you want it to look more just a white color, then you can, of course, drag that over here on the color picker. All right, once you're happy with how that looks, go ahead and hit Save Changes. And then that is the foundation done. You should have a little saved successfully notification in the top right of your window. Now we're gonna head back over to the dashboard and let's get into campaigns because we're gonna create a newsletter here with you. Let's go ahead and hit Create Campaign. We're gonna do regular campaign for now. Here you can see where the brand styles are gonna pay off. Let's tab over to All Templates. And then you'll notice here that you have a couple of templates here that you can get started with right away that already have your brand style applied. That just means that these templates have already been dressed up in the brand style that we set up. So your colors, fonts, buttons, things should be applied for you already. So let's go ahead and go with this one for now. Hit choose. Now, because we have set up our brand styles, we don't actually have to touch any of the style settings. You can see those right over here on the right sidebar. Now, if you did want to go back and edit those brand styles, you can with this button right down here, and that'll take you back over to the brand styles page. So feel free to go ahead and tweak anything that you would like in here, but we're gonna go ahead and go back to the builder to finish out this newsletter. But of course, you can go ahead and go back into and customize this however you would like. So say if you want a section that, or if there's a section that you don't want to have on there, you can remove, you can tweak how the text for anywhere, anything that you want to have. So this is going to be a regular update. You can leave this here, or you can say, input the text however you would like, because this again is your email, how you want to design it. So let's say you do want to save this as a template. What you could do is address every subscriber by name. So to do that again, we'll hop over to this variables button as you are entering in text and you see this formatting bar. Select name. That way, every time this email goes out, you're going to be referencing everyone by name. So you've already got share buttons. If you have RSS, you can feel free to customize that with your RSS feed URL. But that's really it. We can go ahead and save this one as a template. That way you can save this as a template that you can continue to come back and reuse. You can call it a weekly update template. All right, so we've got it saved. We can now preview it. So if you want to preview this email, you can see what it's going to look like on both the desktop. So you can see desktop view as well as mobile. But there you have it. It's clean, consistent, completely on brand from top to bottom. Once you're happy with how this looks, again, you're going to be customizing this for each campaign or however you want to use it, whether it's a one-off campaign or if it's within an automation. Go ahead and hit done editing. And then from there, you're going to give your campaign a name that's going to be for you, as well as a subject line, sender name, and then go through and finish out the steps to send your campaign.
We have a ton of ways to customize content in your templates and campaigns, like adding videos, products, RSS feeds, and so much more. We have some resources linked in the description if you want to take a look at a few of those. If you have any questions or you want a tutorial on something specific in MailerLite, then drop a comment below and remember to like and subscribe for more of the best content in email marketing. I'll catch you in the next video.